Deadlines don't sleep, and neither does Jace. Lights flicker in a dim apartment. Jace sits hunched over glowing spreadsheets, eyes tired and heavy. The clock hits 2 a.m. Jace blinks, then collapses onto his pillow, exhaustion overtaking him. While the city sleeps outside, Jace's jaw flexes inside, unseen and relentless, even as he sleeps. Dawn brings no relief. Jace jolts awake, clutching his throbbing jaw in sudden pain. A deep ache pulses in his temples. He splashes his face, staring into the mirror, troubled. How did he get this pain? He searches the medicine cabinet for answers, confused and desperate. But nearly 1 in 3 adults like Jace grind their teeth at night without a clue, stress holding their smiles hostage. The truth slams harder than any deadline. Even unrecognised, stress leaves marks you can't ignore. Don't wait for the pain. Don't let stress grind you down. Take action to protect your smile today.